This is RK Electronics digital percentage timer. With a percentage timer, the total cycle time is selected, and then you can set the percentage that the output is on. As you can see, the display is showing the countdown progress and also if the output is on or off. The light above is connected to the output contacts and is illuminated when the output is on. The digital percentage timer is programmed for two functions: pump jack operation and irrigation applications. To get to those and make your selection, press the right or left arrow, and in this case we're now showing application for irrigation. You can do the up or down arrow and get pump jack, irrigation, and just sequence. If you leave it for 10 seconds, it will memorize that it's in pump jack, or if you move off by going to another screen, it has now retained that pump jack operation in memory. If we go back to the countdown screen, so this is showing you the countdown time and showing you that the output is on. There are some differences between the pump jack and the irrigation operation. Let's kind of go through the screens and I'll mention some of the features. On-time percentage, that's one of the things that you can set. In pump jack it goes in 5% increments, and in irrigation it goes in 1% increments. If you go to cycle time, in pump jack you have a 30-minute, a 60-minute, or a 15-minute, or a 1-minute one. If you're in irrigation, you have a 15-second, 30-second, 60-second, and 120-second option. There's a power-up delay built in all the DPTs. If you lose power, you may want to stagger start some of your equipment. This allows you a 0 to 10-minute staggered starting operation with 30-second increments between each one of the starts. Scroll over this. We went back to the default screen, as you saw. Back to the application. Interval on hours. This is an hour meter that is set up with a reset option. So if I want to reset it, I push this button here, and that will reset it back to 0. I go to the running hours screen. This is like a traditional running hour meter where you cannot reset it, so it accumulates hours. In pump jack, running hours are the accumulation of output on hours, and the interval off hours is also the same one, but you can reset it. In irrigation, the running hours are in power applied to the DPT, and the interval hours are hours accumulated of the drive motors being activated by the output contacts. So select your on-time percentage, select your cycle time, select your power-up delay if you want it, function, your interval hours, which you can reset, your running hours. To see a more detailed description of the pump jack operation and the irrigation operation, you can watch videos specific to those two operations on YouTube. Search for digital percentage timer pump jack or digital percentage timer irrigation. For more information on RK or the DPT, go to our website at www.rke.com.